So, hey viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are sharing a lot of ideas related to little girls, Halloween costumes. So, before starting the video, who are new to my channel, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel for more latest and trendy kind of videos. So, let's begin the video. We are sharing Halloween costume ideas for little girls, baby girls and kids. This video will be helpful for you because a lot of ideas, a lot of inspirations, some scary looks all are available in this video. So if you want some kind of catty makeup and a catty costume, that will be superb. You can do such kind of ghost like, it will be super. You can do a skeleton like makeup and even the costume you can do such kind of, because white and red already available in everybody's wardrobe. You can add some kind of red color. So guys, you can take the screenshot of that idea that you like the most, and even you can download this video. So whenever you will be free, you can go to your offline videos, watch the video till end and select the idea that you like the most. And we share a lot of stuff related to Halloween. For example, Halloween cake decoration ideas, Halloween food decoration ideas, Halloween party decoration ideas, and even Halloween makeup for girls, Halloween makeup for boys, Halloween costumes for men's and women's, and a lot of stuff. So you can visit our channel for such kind of videos. And guys, hope you like the video. Please subscribe for more videos. Thank you. Goodbye. Stay home, stay safe, stay connected.